Nuclear leaks are serious events. They release harmful radiation. This radiation is invisible. It can travel through the air. Leaks can happen at nuclear power plants. They can also happen if nuclear materials are damaged or mishandled. It is crucial to understand the risks. We must be prepared to act quickly if a leak occurs. Nuclear leaks can have severe consequences. Radiation exposure can lead to various health problems. These include radiation sickness and an increased risk of cancer. Therefore, it is essential to take immediate precautions if a nuclear leak is reported in your area. In any emergency, information is key. This is especially true for nuclear events. Stay informed about potential risks. Listen to official sources. These include government announcements and emergency broadcasts. If authorities advise evacuation, follow their instructions promptly. Know your evacuation routes. Have a plan for where you will go. Pack essential supplies. These include food, water, medication, and a battery-powered radio. If evacuation is not possible, seek shelter indoors immediately. Close and seal all windows and doors. Turn off ventilation systems. This will minimize your exposure to radiation. Avoid contact with potentially contaminated materials. If you suspect contamination, remove your clothing carefully. Place it in a sealed bag. Wash your skin thoroughly with soap and water. Seek medical attention as soon as possible. Consume only bottled water and food that was sealed before the incident. Do not eat locally grown produce until authorities deem it safe. Keep yourself and your family hydrated. Be aware of the symptoms of radiation sickness. These include nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and dizziness. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Early treatment can make a significant difference.